Hey guys, and welcome to my new video. Today we are going to try and fix an old LCD TV. It is a 32-inch TV, I think, and as far as I know the backlight doesn't work, so we are going to disassemble it and try to see if there are any capacitors. They are swollen, they are getting bad, so we are going to try and see if we can fix it or not. So stay tuned and I'll see you in a few seconds. Okay, so this is the TV I was talking about. This is me, and as far as I know, when I plug it in and turn it on, nothing happens. And I tried shining a light near the display, and it turns out the backlight is not working. So let me try and turn it on. I'm going to use this headlamp to show you what I mean. Let me turn it on. Okay, I think now it is off and now it should be on. Yeah, there you go. You can see the image, but there is no backlight. This is to protect the display. I hope you don't mind my flowers here. There we go. Looks like the display is broken. Maybe it fell over or something, not sure. So this is the LCD screen. It has a crack. I didn't see this before, not sure if it was there when I started disassembling, but I was careful, so I don't think I cracked this, but who knows. This is the part that doesn't work. These are the LEDs that make a backlight on the LCD display. So let's see why doesn't it work. As you can see here, these are all connected in series. These LED strips are connected in series. So if one of them doesn't work, any of them doesn't work. So let's see if we get the voltage required for this to turn on. So this part here is the high voltage part of this circuit board, and this part here is transformed. You can see it says here hot and cold. So this part is off limits for touching when it's powered, and this part here we are going to check our voltages, and this wire here goes to the LEDs. So we are going to probe here and check if we have voltage when we turn it on. I'm going to take a voltmeter and check if we have voltage. This is the most basic voltmeter you can find. Nothing special. I don't know if you can see. Let me zoom in. There. We have a voltage of around 47 volts, if you can see that. So some part of the series in our LED strips are not working, so we are going to check that out. It shouldn't be too hard to fix, but too bad the LCD display is broken. Maybe we can find a replacement, we'll see. This is just a paper, reflective white paper glued with double-sided sticky tape. I have connected these LEDs back in the motherboard so I can test the voltage across each strip. Maybe I can find which one of them doesn't work. So I found out that this middle one won't pass through the voltage back to this first one. So let's dig deeper. Judging by the look, it looks like this one burnt out. You can see this one is kind of burnt. I'm going to check this with multimeter. Let me show you. Can you see that? This one works. Let's try that out with the other one. This one doesn't look good. And judging by the voltage, the high voltage, these are all connected in series. You see that? Nothing. It's dead. And look at this. This doesn't look good. Okay. The second test would be plugging it back in and bridging this LED. We are going to bridge it so it should all light up again. Okay, we have a piece of wire. It is a thick wire, but this is all I had, and we are going to bridge it. Let me show you a little bit closer. We are going to bridge, short circuit this LED like this, and they should all light up. Let me try turning the TV on again. There we go. This is bright, really bright. So we know where is the problem, and we know how to fix the problem, but we don't have an LED to fix it, and the panel is broke. This is 3 by 3 millimeter LED. I'm going to write it down so that I don't forget. I'm going to order a couple of them off of eBay. I'm going to solder a wire across this LED just to test the rest of the TV. Okay, I have assembled it and the crack is really visible right now. Maybe it just opened up. Let's try to turn it on. Now you can really see this crack here. This is too bad. I think I have put those paper filters backwards. Oh, these ones are visible because I haven't put these diffusers yet. I will put them in if I get a new display for this. So guys, this will be all for today. Too bad I didn't manage to fix it. Maybe I even broke it, I'm not sure anymore. But if I order a second LCD screen, new one, I'm going to make a part 2. If not, this will be the only video on fixing this TV, so you can at least know where to look if backlight doesn't work. You can check every single LED in this type of LCD TVs. So thank you for watching, and thank you if you watched till the end, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.